So good morning, each one of you. Kindly switch on your cameras, children. First is, kindly raise your hand. Which statements are true about the trees in hilly areas? Yes, kindly raise your hands. What type of shape they are having? Yes, Vedic.
All of these.
Trees are normally cone shaped. They have sloping branches. Okay, so the right answer is all of these. These all options are true about the trees in hilly areas. Next is number 2. Which of these help polar bear adapt to live in extreme cold climate? Kindly raise your hand. White fur, fat below the skin, keen sense of smell. So what can be the right answer for it? Yes, Chitra. Yes, Chitra, which answer is the correct one?
A part. White fur, fat below skin, knee, A part.
Okay. Keen sense of smell, white fur, fat below the skin. So this option is the correct one. Number 3. Which features of living things is also shown by a car? So you can tell me. Response to change requires energy, reproduces, absorbing gases. So which option is true if we see the car? Yes, tell me. What does it need? Does it respond? Does it require energy? So which change is correct for it? Yes, Vedic.
B part required energy.
Yes, children, you know that car requires energy. It requires petrol, diesel, CNG to work. Next is Radhika touched a hot kettle and quickly pulled her hand away. Which characteristic is proved by her? So whenever we touch a hot object, we withdraw our hand quickly. So what is this? Is this reproduction, respond to stimuli, growth, and respiration? So you may tell the answer. What can be the answer for it? Yes, Aditya Raj, you know the answer for it? Aprajita, yes. Yes, Arsh Ayaz.
Respiration.
Respiration it is. No? Anybody else? How this can be respiration?
My voice is coming low.
Yes, Vedic.
B part.
Yes, it is B part. Respond to stimuli. Whenever you touch any of the hot utensil, you withdraw your hand quickly. So this is a respond to stimuli. Next one is, which of the following is not a correct statement about excretion? Excretion takes place in plants. Number 2 is, excretion is a process of getting rid of excess water only. It takes place in both plants and animals. So you have to tell a incorrect statement. Which among these 4 are the incorrect statement? Yes, you may tell. Yes, Arnab Singh Tomar.
Correct answer.
Arshayaz or Chitra. What can be the answer for this excretion? Yes, tell Arnab.
The answer is B.
Number this one, second. Excretion is a process of getting rid of excess waste only. No, undigested food is also expelled through the body. That is the process of excretion. Okay. Next one is, which of the following sets represent only the biotic component of a habitat? So among these, you have to tell.
Sand, turtle, crab, ocean.
Okay. So which option is the correct one? Kindly tell. A option, B or C?
B. Ma'am, C.
C option. Rocks, soil, plants.
Rock, soil, plant, oxygen. Ma'am, C.
Okay. So I hope each one of you have done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I erase?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question number 2 is state whether the following statements are true or false. So this you have to tell whether it is a true or false statement. Let's continue with it. First is different organisms have different habitat. Kindly raise your hands. Naman Sharma, is it true or false? Hurry up, beta, unmute. Yes, tell me. Yes,
True.
Vedic.
Ma'am, it's true. Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. Next is habitat means a dwelling place. Yes, who else can tell? Yes, Parnika.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Parnika. Number 2, is it true or false? Yes, Kashvi. Parnika, unmute.
Ma'am, it is false.
Yes, it is false. Next is non-living things don't any of the characteristics, don't have the characteristics of living. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, true.
Non-living things, again better read it carefully. Non-living things don't have any of the characteristics of living things. Yes, it is false, better.
I'm
Some
false.
of the characteristics can be there. Psychological is same as genetic. False it is. Come on, the next question, number C part. Filling the blanks using the appropriate words. So first, kindly raise your hand. Water of sea is. Tell me, water of sea is?
Saline.
It is saline. Water of sea is saline. Next is plants and animals living on land said to be live in terrestrial. Terrestrial habitat. Next, photosynthesis in desert plant is usually carried out by
Stem.
stem.
And sun.
Yes. Lion hunts deer and is therefore called as. What does lion called for? What we can say lion? Yes, anybody? Carnivores. Because it hunt the animals, other animals, so that's why it is known as carnivore. Next is match the following. Mountains of Himalayas.
River Ganga.
River Ganga. Puri, with which we can match it. Next, Rajasthan. Next is Rishikesh. Rajasthan moves on desert.
Ma'am, Puri is sea beach dotted with cotton trees.
Yes, beta, it is wrong. Himalayas mein aapka hai, this one we can say write down. Himalayas you can match with the oaks, pines and deer. Puri is sea beach and Rishikesh is on river Ganga. Match in this way. Okay. So the answer of first is habitat. For the second, to swim in water. Next. Okay, what is the good seed is to be germinate? So when the seed is said to be germinated, when the white structure start coming out of it, then we can say that the seed start germinated. Okay. Next, Aditya Raj, read the next question number 4.
What adaptation does the stem of desert plant show to retain water?
Okay. So can you tell me what about the stems of the desert plant? What adaptation does it have? So children, answer number 4, you can write down that stem is covered with a waxy layer which helps to retain water. Okay. Next question number, short question answer type. List 2 adaptive features shown by penguins. So penguins live in polar regions. They move in hurdles. They move in group. So you can write down. Number 2, if we put some hand deep inside a sack of wheat, we feel warm inside. Why? And what happens when the leaves of mimosa are touched? They show respond to stimuli. That's why. So you may write down the answers of these questions. Kindly complete this worksheets, beta. Kindly complete this
And please
worksheet.
tell the question number 4, second part.
Okay.